this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for the American Express Green Credit Card. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to americanexpress.com. From here, you'll need to go over to the cards page and then search for the American Express Green Card. From here, you should bring something like this. And here you can read a little about what the green card is. And here you'll need to click Apply Now to apply for the credit card. From here, you'll be getting into the application page where you can see there's three steps that you'll need to take. You'll first need to provide information about yourself. You'll need to submit the application, and then you'll get a decision and be accepted into the credit card program. From here, you'll need to add your personal information like first name, middle name, and last name, your name on your credit card, where you'll add your first name and last name on your credit card. You'll need to add in the date of birth with month, date, and then year. You'll need to add in your email address so American Express can contact you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card. You will also be able to add in your mobile phone number, your home street address, your apartment number, zip code, city, and lastly state. From here, you'll also need to add in your social security number, where you can add it right here. And if you don't have a social security number, you'll also be able to add in your individual taxpayer identification number here instead. From here, you can click if you're already American Express card member from another country, then you can log into your account right here. From here, you'll also need to add your total annual income and your non-taxable annual income. From here, you'll also need to add in your income source, where you can choose whether or not you're employed, retired, self-employed, unemployed, military, business owner, or other. From here, you'll need to click continue to terms and then accept the terms. And from here, you'll need to submit the application. And then lastly, you will, in a couple of days, get a decision from American Express whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card program. That's how you do it. If you have questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!